Hello everyone, 5th of April market update. So yeah, let's see what we discussed yesterday. How was our thought process? So basically this was the idea: just run the lows into demand, reclaim the range, and try to advance to range high. Right, we're dealing with this range here with BTC. So far so good, nice reaction here. Now I'm expecting something like this to happen. Like the price comes down to here and then bounce from here. If it falls below, that's certainly not good, but this would be the ideal scenario, and then we can shoot for 50, 52. Let's look at the broader picture. Let's check the bigger picture. So we were talking about this big range, right? And then we finally broke it. Retest, that's where you should buy. We already had a position here. And now we have a position from here. Now what we like to see is the price move away from this, right? We don't want it to fuck around here anymore, because then that would increase the chances to roll over back inside the range, and then we should be looking for shorts instead. So far so good. Let's check what happens here. Now after we run, if we have a run, where would it go? I'd probably suspect that it would go somewhere here, right? But then again, these are very dangerous waters. Why? Because if we run here, run these highs, and then fall back inside, then we have a chance, not certainty, but we have a chance to visit lower targets. You know, as it happened here, as it happened here, here, happened here, so why not happen here? And if it falls below, then that's your first short, then your second short, probably towards here and below. So I mean, of course, this is just a scenario. We know what to do if any of this happens. This is higher probability for me, this happening. Of course, it's not 100%, but we don't know about this yet. All right, just speculation for now. But this is a better chance, and we do something like this. Let's say we do this, right? That's our level. We do this, run, come down here, maybe some kind of retest over here somewhere, and head higher. This could be the second scenario, right? So don't think ahead, just deal with what's in front of you. What is in front of you is we're above this level, right? Important level. If we run, here's another important level that we may see a reaction. After the reaction, we don't know. We don't know if it's gonna hold again or break down below and targeting these areas. Probably, you know, here first, then here after, and then possibly here. All right, so don't get ahead of yourself. Just watch the price, concentrate on this now. What may happen? Scenario 1, we run towards 52. Scenario 2, we fall down, we roll over inside the range, and that's your shorts. Range breakouts is usually important. It's a good, they present good opportunities. What do I mean by opportunities? For example, this range breakout caused the price, right? This range breakout caused this move. But for example, if it fails to break it, then so we could be here right now, unless we start moving away. Like this, for example. This is a also smaller range here, you know, this area. If we break it, we should run. That's how BTC breaks out. But if we just linger around here doing nothing, then there's a higher probability that it will do something like that. All right, just think in terms of the range. Let's go back to the lower time frame. Yeah, so now we're inside here. So our first objective is to come down here and then make an attack towards highs. That will be also in confluence with Monday mid-range. So that would be ideal scenario actually. But if we break down, then I don't know. We'll see how this would react. Like this or like this. And then this will start the effect of this, and the fall down starts. So yeah, just watch these levels, see how they interact. As I say, whenever, you know, I'm trying to analyze the charts with the stuff that we have learned so far. We have learned ranges, we have learned EMAs, we have learned support resistance. So combining all three only for now. We're not going into other stuff like supply, demand, price action, all that good stuff, TPO. We're just using the stuff that we learned so far. So in terms of, even in terms of that, there is a setup for you here. All right guys, thanks and see you later.